HotMamaTravel!
Oh! And welcome to the channel, HotMamaTravel. Today we're doing another activity. We're doing the Girls Love State Park Challenge, part of Keely's Girl Scouts end of summer event, and we're at Bolsa Chica State Park and we are doing a beach scavenger hunt. It's a family event, so we have the whole family here. And say hi.
Hi.
And now we are off to find some things on our list. Please make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that like button. Let's get into the video. The second item on our list was finding lifeguard station number 21, and here it is. Hi. Oh my gosh, baby, are those baby seagulls?
Look at the little birds.
Oh my gosh! That's a cool thing to catch. Baby seagulls!
Alright, let's go into the visitor center and say hi.
She's still because she has a blue tooth.
Hello.
The beach suddenly got more crowded, so we put on our masks because safety first. Right? Hey!
Yeah,
Right?
definitely.
So we're trying to find that darn mural. We found some friends behind us from our troop. And that's what we're doing. And then we got to figure out a way to get to the wetlands.
Look, it's a
Live music! How exciting!
So, is that a yes to ice cream?
Yes. So what do you say? They had the best ice cream in there?
I was craving. They have the best ice cream. I was craving a fruity flavor, so I got strawberry shortcake. Yeah, Ken got Spider-Man.
got Spider-Man?
There's like Spider-Man, SpongeBob. There's Twix ice cream. There was a big Oreo sandwich. I got the ice cream bar. There's so many good flavors. There was orange flavor.
Oreo looks good.
Kent, I dare you to touch the seaweed right here. Come here, touch it. Touch the seaweed. Ew, is it slimy?
Oh, I got that on camera. I got it all in his eye. Oh no. So today was supposed to be a no water day, beach day, right? Because I didn't want a big mess. It's a Girl Scout event. We were just gonna go to the beach, do our scavenger hunt, and leave. Well, this is what happens. Why don't you show that?
Also, here, zoom in on Kent's face.
Got sand in your face and mouth.
No.
Look at his hands. We are a mess.
Yeah, we gotta go clean up.
Sister's a mess.
I'm just trying to.
And look at this fool.
I'm trying to bury my feet. I already did bury my feet.
We're gonna rinse the kids off. They're gonna have to dry, and we're gonna go listen to some live music before we go, and maybe have some lunch. Kids in the beach. It's never not a messy day. Pizza.
Look at this. Pork belly, pineapple, onion pizza.
Yummy.
It's called the Big Kahuna.
Oh, that smells really good.
I know. This one's for me and Mommy.
Well, you can have
But
some too.
I will throw on some pineapple onto your cheese piece.
See the cheese.
Ooh.
That was really fun.
Tell me about it.
He stumbled upon live music again. Lucky us. That's how we do.
We kind of abandoned the Girl Scout thing and just watched the music and had lunch. We had the best pizza.
Yeah, they had really good
Oh my
pizza.
gosh.
And then Kevin's really impressed by their ice cream selection.
Ooh.
That's what he was.
Look handsome. You guys have a fun day? in Huntington at Bolsa Chica National, no, not National, State Park.
State Park.
State Park.
Bolsa Chica State Park. Alright guys, I think we're gonna wrap it up here because the baby already fell asleep and they want to get home and watch Harry Potter. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and we'll catch you next time. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, HotMamaTravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.